Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashionable Blog. In today's video, I will be share you some different types of summer essentials with names. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Scarf or cotton dupatta. Number 2. Sheet mask. Number 3. Sunglasses. Number 4. Shower gel. Number 5. Summer hat or cap. Number 6. Slippers. Number 7. Talc powder. Number 8. White t-shirt. Number 9. Small towel. Number 10. Sunscreen. Number 11. Full arm gloves. Number 12. Kimono or Shrug. Number 13. Perfume. Number 14. Aleo Vera Gel. Number 15. Umbrella. Number 16. Rose water. Number 17. Deodrant or body mist. Number 18. Powder based foundation. Number 19. Light color outfit. Number 20. Wet wipes. Number 21. Water bottle. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.